A humble garden shed, a seemingly unassuming structure, holds a monumental place in medical history. But who would have thought that this ordinary-looking hut, nestled in the English countryside, would be the birthplace of a medical revolution? And this is where it all began for Edward Jenner, the pioneer of vaccination. Jenner's garden shed, a rustic brick and stone building with a thatched roof, has been recognized as a significant historical site by Historic England. It was here, in this unpretentious setting, that Jenner conducted his groundbreaking work on smallpox vaccination in the late 1700s. This simple hut, now known as the Temple of Vaccinia, played a pivotal role in revolutionizing global public health and saving millions of lives. But here's where it gets controversial. Despite its immense historical value, the hut is in a state of disrepair. The roof, rear wall, and chimney are in urgent need of attention, threatening the very existence of this iconic landmark. This has led to its inclusion on Historic England's Heritage at Risk Register, alongside 138 other sites. The register serves as a stark reminder of the fragility of our historical treasures. However, it also provides an opportunity for action. As Claudia Kenyatta, co-chief executive of Historic England, points out, being on the register can bring much-needed attention and resources to these important places. It's a chance to rally support and find solutions to preserve our history. And this is the part most people miss. The hut's significance extends beyond its physical structure. It represents a turning point in medical science, where Jenner's innovative thinking and experimentation led to the world's first vaccination clinic. By infecting an 8-year-old boy with cowpox, a mild disease, Jenner demonstrated immunity to smallpox, a deadly contagion. This simple yet profound discovery changed the course of medicine forever. The story of Jenner's hut is just one of many on the Heritage at Risk Register. Other notable additions include the Hill Garden Pergola, a stunning feature of a private garden in Hampstead Heath, London, and St. Windrata's Church, the only UK church dedicated to a 7th-century Anglo-Saxon princess saint. Both sites, like Jenner's hut, require urgent attention and care. The register is not just a list of endangered sites, but a call to action. It encourages us to appreciate and protect our historical legacy. As we see with the Bruce Grove public toilets in Tottenham and the Argyll smelting mill in Cumbria, conservation efforts can bring new life to these places, ensuring they continue to serve and inspire communities. So, what does the future hold for these historical sites? Is it our responsibility to preserve them, or should we let nature take its course? What are your thoughts on the balance between conservation and progress?